Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, welcome to Raveena at Home. I'm Raveena Singh, a professional organizer and home management consultant. I'm actually preparing for a visit from my very good friend, whom I haven't seen for more than 4 years, and she will be staying with us for 10 days. She's bringing her 2 little boys along. It's been a long time since I had to stock up for little kids, so come along with me while I restock for the adults, the mini adults, and 2 energetic little boys. I asked my friend what her boys enjoy eating, and she said they are serious pasta lovers. So I thought I would stock up on a bunch of different pastas for them to make them feel right at home. I'm also taking this opportunity today to refill all my flowers and sundries. A good tip is always to remove the old stock and then put it back on top so it gets used first. For those of you who don't know, I use this turntable to place items for our weekly family dinner. This week, in case you couldn't tell, it's lasagna. I'm also moving the cereal around because I can see the same cereal in 2 different boxes. So I'm going to consolidate that and then I'm going to spill some and then I'll continue to refill. The next thing I'm doing is refilling these big bins with larger overstock of snacks, crisps, and biscuits. Now I'm setting up a grab-and-go snack station for the boys, and probably my mini adults are gonna love this. I'm combining some healthier snacks and some more fun snacks. I also bought a bunch of canned goods, so I'm just going to keep the overstock away. Next up are some juice boxes and soy milk packs I got for the kids. Again, I'm sure my mini adults are going to be digging into these too. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean the pantry before putting everything away. This is my instant noodle drawer, and it's even more stocked than usual for this visit. I also went ahead and got a bunch of Thai seasonings and sauces because my friend and I both love our Thai food. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm moving the cereals one shelf lower so that the children will be able to access it as well. And here is the self-serve station I mentioned earlier. The kids should be able to reach their snacks by themselves. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed stocking it. Give this video a like so I know you had fun too. And of course, if you're new, do consider subscribing and becoming a part of this community. And with that, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.